Hey everyone, I have these under the bed storage organizers I just got and they work great around the house. Let me show you how I use them. So first off, I love the top of them, how it's clear because I know exactly what's in them whenever I need them. They have two zippers here. They're really nice. I love storing my extra pillows in here, especially if I have ones whenever guests come over. I love having my kids' seasonal clothes in here. They hold up to 60 pounds. They have a layer on the inside that comes out. They were super easy to put together. They took about 5-10 minutes. Just a couple rods in here. This part comes off here too, which is really nice in case you need to clean them up a little bit. I do love these because you don't have to lug them around. You don't have to lift them up. They do have wheels on the bottom and they're 360-degree wheels, so they're super easy to move around, to slide underneath your couch, your bed, wherever you decide to put them. They also are super quiet, which is really nice. So on the side, there are these really nice handles here. And there is a little note card here they can take out. You can go ahead and label in case you have to slide them in this way and you can't see the top of them. You know exactly, put that in there. You know exactly what's in them. There's a handle on each side here. One on each. So they slide really nicely right underneath my couch. Just like that. Whenever I need them, pull the handle, super easy to pull out. You can see exactly what's inside. So like I said, I love using these for extra pillows, blankets, seasonal clothes. So if you're looking for something to keep your life a little bit more organized, I highly recommend these ones. Thanks for watching.